Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial on Sliding Window Protocol for Strings. Introduction. The sliding window protocol is a technique used in computer science and networking to manage data flow. It is often used for string manipulation and searching algorithms, where we need to keep track of a contiguous subset of elements in a larger data set. The sliding window approach allows us to efficiently process elements, typically in linear time complexity, by maintaining a window that slides over the data. Key concepts. One window, a subset of elements from the entire data set. The size of the window can vary based on the problem. 2. Sliding mechanism, the window slides across the data set, usually one element at a time, allowing us to process new elements while dropping old ones. 3. Dynamic size, the window can be fixed size or variable size depending on specific conditions or requirements of the problem. Use cases. Finding the longest substring without repeating characters. Finding the maximum sum of any contiguous subarray of a fixed size. Counting distinct elements in every k-length subarray. Code example, longest substring without repeating characters. Let's implement a sliding window algorithm to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Problem statement. Given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Approach. 1. Use 2 pointers to represent the window's boundaries, start and end. 2. Use a hash set to track the characters in the current window. 3. Expand the window by moving the end pointer, and check if the character is already in the set. 4. If it is, shrink the window from the start until the character can be added. 5. Keep track of the maximum length of substrings found. Code implementation. Here's how you can implement the above approach in Python. Explanation of the code. 1. Initialization. A set char_set to keep track of characters in the current window. 2 pointers left and right to represent the window's boundaries. Max_length to store the maximum length of substrings found. 2. Expanding the window. Loop through the string using the right pointer. If the character at the right pointer is already in char_set, it indicates a duplicate. In that case, we shrink the window from the left by incrementing the left pointer and removing the leftmost character from the set until the duplicate character is removed. 3. Updating the set and length. Add the character at the right pointer to char_set. Update max_length by comparing it with the current window size, right, left +1. 4. Output. Return the maximum length found. Conclusion. The sliding window protocol is an efficient way to handle problems involving contiguous segments of data, especially strings or arrays. By using 2 pointers and a data structure like a set or dictionary, we can achieve optimal solutions with a linear time complexity, making it a powerful tool for many algorithmic problems.